If you are the manager of a design system team, or if you're not, you still have to watch this video until the end, because today I'm gonna show you a tool called Magic Path, which is gonna help you create design systems 5 times faster than you did before with Figma. So without further ado, let's get started. So we are inside Magic Path, and I would like to create a design system for a governmental website. What I'm gonna do first is click on this plus icon to create a new component and open the chat. Now I also have a screenshot of a design system which starts with design language, design kit, component library, developer sandbox, and documentation. I'm gonna press Ctrl C to copy this screenshot, paste it inside the chat, and ask Magic Path to create a design system for a governmental website. I see I have a typo here, so I'm gonna fix it. Use the screenshot I provided as a reference. So now I will press enter, and while Magic Path is building the design system, I would like to show you around. So here, for example, it's showing the progress of the development. And another tip, guys, if for example you are a beginner and you don't know Magic Path that well, when you click on the side right here, everything is gonna disappear. So if you want back the chat, all you have to do is click on the component and then click on this icon that says Ask Magic Path. And yeah, now we are back inside the chat. So while it's creating this design system, I would like also to create another one at the same time. So what I'm gonna do, I will click on this icon and create a new component. Let's put it on the right side. And for this one, I would like to create a design system for BMW, but without any screenshot. So create a design system for BMW, be creative and have no boundaries, and press enter, and let's see how these two compare with each other. So all right, we have something here. Look at this. This already looks good. It's still in development, by the way, but so far I really like it. So let's wait, and I see you in a bit. Okay, so the government design system portal is done. All right, we have a small problem here apparently, but let's check it out by clicking on this icon to open it in a new tab. And let's take a look at it. This looks very good. It has a lot of character. I didn't expect this, to be honest. So let's click on this design kit. Okay, so right now we don't actually have a design system. It's just a mock-up. So I'm gonna ask Magic Path to, create the content. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on this icon again and say, please create the content. And by the way, you don't have to say please. I'm just used to say that, but you don't have to do that. So create the content inside each category you created, and press enter. Now this one is still in development. Let's take a look and see. I think it has a few more actions. So let's wait for it as well. Okay, so the BMW design system is finished. Now let's take a look at it and open it as well in a new tab. Okay, this one actually looks good. I mean, it looks finished. Yeah, it even attempted to create the BMW logo, which is not needed. We can replace this by ourselves. But this one looks good. Look at this, very clean. So okay, you also have the design tokens right here. We have the spacing and sizing. All right, let's check the elevation and shadows. As you can see, guys, everything is being created. I can't believe this. And you can look, you can even copy this shadow. And let's check the code. You can even copy the code. And yeah, that is very cool. You have some CSS properties right here. Now let's move to border and radius. Yes, everything is very, very good. Motion and timing. Here you have like 300 ms, which means the duration of the transition. Okay, now let's move to component library. So the component library looks also very huge. Okay, we have the buttons, form controls. Damn, that is a huge library, as you can see. Cards and containers. Okay, that is a card, looks good. Navigation. So that is, oh, I don't know what happened. Yeah, so that is the navigation. Okay, feedback status. We have a card right here as well, and automotive UI. Look at this, guys. Yeah, it's looking very, very good. I don't know why the first one that we provided a screenshot didn't work, the first component, but let's hope that Magic Path is able to fix it. Now let's go to the last tab here, which says 3D configurator. Oh wow, look at this. I don't even know what this means, to be honest. Okay, so it says BMW X5 2024, so that is supposed, I guess, to be the car, but yeah, we don't have a 3D model for a car, so it has this 3D model that it created, which looks interesting. Wheels and tires. Okay, so oh, look at this. No way, we can even change the color, guys. I hope the colors are accurate, because yeah, the car is not. These are the wheels, now I understand. Okay, so yeah, look, you can change the car models and everything. Let's see the tires. Yeah, we can change the tires. They even look wrong. Interior. So again, we can change the interior because we don't have any. And performance package. So yeah, this looks very cool. I'm really impressed with this design system for BMW. Now let's move back and see if it's finished, the design system for the governmental website. No, it's not. Anyway, I'm gonna wait and I will be back when it's finished. Okay, so apparently it finished the governmental website as well, design system, sorry. Let's check it out in a new tab. It's still not centered because I didn't ask it to center it right now, but we have a design system actually with some content. So we have the colors right here. Now we also have the typography, which looks very clean. We have the right typography scale and also some spacing. All right, iconography. Okay, we have some simple icons here with a 2 pixel stroke, filled variants and 24 pixels grid. This looks good as well. And we also have motion. Oh, look, it even animated the preview of the bounce, pulse and spin. So this looks very good. Yeah, now let's ask Magic Path to actually center the content inside. So everything looks good. However, the content is not centered. Right now it's right aligned. Let's press enter and let's wait for a few more minutes. But as you can see, guys, that is a very efficient way of creating a design system, because in Figma it will take you like hours to do this. So in the meantime, while it's creating this design system right here and it's improving everything, let's actually try to edit something here. So if you click on the component, you can click on this icon to edit component. And now you can select everything and edit. For example, let's select this logo right here, which says BMW, and let's say B only. And as you can see, we changed the content inside. Also, we can also change this text right here. For example, we can say BMW guidelines. Let's change it here, BMW. All right. We can also add a margin. So add the 40 pixels margin, and we can do the same with this one. So 40 pixels. And yeah, you can change like everything. You see, even the shadows. Right now it says none, but we can add a 2XL shadows. So yeah, that is it basically. Now, if I want to keep the changes, I just have to click on save. And it finished it. However, it's still the same. It didn't change. It didn't center it. And actually, to be honest, it doesn't even matter, because the most important part in this is actually the design system itself. And it did a great job with both the Governmental website and the BMW website as well. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this video, and make sure to check MagicPath. It's free. You can use it for free. Like, you have 5 components per day that you can use for free. So sign up, and yeah, I see you in another video.